Good morning, students. I'm again here, myself Anup Kumar, and it is my seventh video of this chapter, chapter 7, factorization, and it is also the last chapter I'm going to discuss. Okay, last class. Okay, students. Now, today topic is that to explain method of factorization when quadratic trinomial is given in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. In previous class, we have already discussed a trinomial which is given in the form of x square plus bx plus c. It means no constant term here, but now here a constant term. Okay, so let's see. At first, let's see that a form of identity is x square plus bx plus c. Now let's see the method. At first, step 1. At first, we will arrange the terms of expression in descending order of their exponent, same as previous. Step 2 is also, here you can see that split b into two parts. We have to split b into two parts whose sum is b, but product is a into c. Product will be a into c. Okay. Now third, take first two terms in one group. First two terms in one group or last two terms in another. Same as. Now take out the factor which is common to all such groups. That is 4 steps to solve the question. Okay, students? So let's solve the question. Now, question is that we have to factorize 2x square plus 9x plus 10. So here you can see it is already in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So here you can see the value of a is what? 2. The value of a is 2. The value of b is plus 9. Okay, so we will not write plus sign. If there will be minus, then we will write minus sign. And the value of c is what? 10. Value of c is 10. Okay, so here now after that we have, let's find two numbers whose sum will be what? 9, because it is already written in the steps that sum will be the middle term b, and here b is 9, so sum should be 9, and the product will be ac. It means a is 2 and c is 10, so 2 into 10 will be 20. So we have to, now we will repeat the previous process. It means 20, we have to find the product of factor of 20. 1 into 20, 2 into 20 and 4 into 50. This is the all possible factor. Okay. Now, if you will add 1 plus 20, you will get to 9. No. 21 you will get. 2 plus 20, 12. No. 4 plus 5, 9. Yes. It means we can take 4 and 5. It means we can write plus 9x as plus 4x plus 5x. Okay, plus 5x or plus 5x plus 4x. Okay, in reverse order also we can write. Now, so it will be 2x square plus 5x plus 4x plus 10. Now remove the bracket, then you will get two pairs, 2x square plus 5x and 4x plus 10. Now what is common in between these two terms? 2 and 5 are the constant terms. So no constant term is common, only variable common. Here x in only third term, not in second, not last term. It means no variable is common, only we will take common two constant term. Okay, so we will take here x as a common variable, then 2x plus 5 is left. Here we will take plus 2 as a common, then 2x plus 5 is left. Now here you can see 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5. Both are common binomial and x plus 2 is leftover value. So this one will be our answer. Okay, students. Now let's see another example. Now students, the question is to factorize 3m square minus 10m plus 8. So here you can see at first we will write the given expression. Then here you can see the value of a is 3, b is minus 10 and c is plus 8. Okay, so we have to find such two numbers whose sum will be minus 10 and the product will be 3 into 8, that is 24. Okay, so we will find the factor of 24 then what we will get? Minus 1 into minus 24, because minus minus plus, then plus 24 you will get as a product, because product is given in plus sign. So both will be minus, because here we have to find the value in minus. So we have to write both mean minus. So minus 1 minus 24 will be what? Minus 25, not matching. Minus 2 minus 12 minus 14, not matching. Minus 3 minus 8 minus 11, not matching. Now minus 4 minus 6 minus 10, yes, it will be the number. So we can write minus 10m as minus 4m and minus 6m, or you can also write it in reverse order. It means minus 6m and minus 4m. Okay, so it will be 3m square minus 6m minus 4m plus 8. So here you can see that 3m square minus 6m in one pair and minus 4m minus 4m plus 8 in another pair. So here you can see that constant term and variable both are common. Constant term 3 is common and variable only m is common. And here no variable is common, only constant term 4 is common. So we will take the common. So here 3m is common, so m minus 2 is left. Now minus 4 we will take common. So minus is outside, so sign will also change. And 4 we have already taken common. So here first term m is left and here 8, 2 left. 4 2 is 8. So m minus 2 and m minus 2 both are matching. So we will take as a common and 3m minus 4 will left. Okay. Now let's see another question. Now we have to factorize 2y square plus y minus 3. Okay. So again at first we will write the given expression as 2y square plus y minus 3. Okay. Now what is the value of A? 2, B 1 and C minus 3. So we have to find the number whose sum is 1 but the product will be 2 into minus 3, it means minus 6. Okay. So here the value is in plus. It means we have to see that number which is in, we have to write the minus 1 over the smaller number. So minus 1 into 6, minus 6, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, and minus 1 plus 6 will be what? Minus 1 plus 6 will be plus 5. Okay, not matching. Now minus 2 plus 3, 1. Yes. So we can write plus y as plus 3y and minus 2y. Or we can also write in reverse order. It means minus 2y plus 3y. Okay. So let's see. Now 2y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 3. So here in first pair and second pair, it is here no constant term is common. So we will take y as a common only variable. Now here also no constant term, no variable common. So if no constant, no variable common, then we will take 1 as a common. Okay. So here we will write y, then 2y plus 3. Here minus 1, then 2y plus 3. Now 2y plus 3, 2y plus 3, both common. Then y minus 1 is leftover value. So we can write 2y plus 3 and y minus 1 as a common. Okay, student. So let's see another question. Now 3p square minus 4p minus 4. Okay. At first the given expression we will write. Then a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 4. So we have to find two numbers whose sum will be minus 4 and the product will be what? 3 into minus 4, it means minus 12. Okay. Then here sum is in minus and product is also in minus. Then in this case product is also in minus. It means 1 minus should be there in the factor. Okay. So 1 minus should be there and here sum is minus 4. So we have to put minus 1 over the largest number. So factor is 1 into minus 12, 2 into minus 6 and 3 into minus 4. Now 1 plus minus 12 minus 11, not matching. 2 plus minus 6 minus 4, yes, it is matching. So it is also not. So 2 and minus 6, we can write minus 4p as 2p minus 6p or minus 6p plus 2p. Okay. So here we can write in pair that 3p square minus 6p plus 2p minus 4. Okay. So what is common here? Constant term and the variable common. It means 3p is common. And here only constant term 2 is common. Okay. So we will take 3p common, then p minus 2 left. Here plus 2 is common, then p minus 2 is left. So p minus 2, p minus 2, common binomial. Then what is the leftover value? 3 plus p plus 2. So this one will be our answer. Okay, students. So I hope that you all have understood. So let's see the another question. Now we have to factorize this number. It is the last question, dear. Now, at first here we will arrange, because here you can see it is not in arranging in descending order of their exponent. So we will arrange it at first. Now what is the value of a? The value of a is minus 5, b is minus 31 and c is 28. So we have to find such two numbers whose sum will be minus 31 and the product will be minus 5 into 28, which is equal to minus 140. Again minus sign is over there. So once minus 1, that is we have to put minus sign over any one of the factor. Okay, and here sum is minus 31. It means we have to put minus sign over the largest number. So the product will be 1 into minus 140, 2 into minus 70, 4 into minus 35, 5 into minus 28, 7 into minus 20 and 10 into minus 40. Okay, now let's check it. 1 plus minus 40, 1 minus 139, not matching. 2 plus minus 70, minus 68, not matching. 4 plus minus 35, it will be minus 31. Yes, it will be match. It means we can write minus 31t as 4t plus 40. Okay, and minus 35t, or you can also write in reverse order. It means minus 35t and plus 40. Okay, students, so let's see. Now, what is common? Minus 5t is common. So here t and sign will change because minus we have taken out. So t plus 7 is common. Here plus 4 we have taken common. So t plus 7. Now t plus 7 is matching common. So minus 5t plus 4 will be left. Okay, students. So like this we can factorize. I hope that you all have understood, students. Okay, dear. Thank you.